So in this video I'm going to share as to how you could thicken or change the thickness of your line in AutoCAD. Now sometimes you won't be able to see the changes that you've made to the thickness of a line, and that is exactly what I'm going to show you right now. So you go to the line command, you draw a certain line, press enter. This is a line. You would go to, for increasing or decreasing the layer of this, the thickness of this line, you would go to this tab called the properties and click by layer option. Here you can see different line thicknesses, so we would go with the highest one. Now you can see it's, as soon as you click the 1.06 millimeter line, it's appearing as this. But sometimes what most people encounter is that they don't see this line, they don't see the thickness of the line. So what you have to do is, at the moment with us, this is set to display line weight. Those who can't see the weight of the line, the thickness of the line increase, their display option is off, it's unchecked. So in the command bar, go to line weight, click the display line, check the display line weight button and press OK, and you can see the thickness of the layer or the line has increased. So please stay with us. I'll be uploading more of such videos to help you achieve and to help you earn quite a lot and get a great score on your AutoCAD tests and excel in AutoCAD. Please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel for more of such videos. Thank you.